Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festus 67's Workshop. Welcome to issue 38 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman. And this is from our wonderful friends over at Fanhome. Right. Magazine is the TV show. This is Catwoman again, looking rather mean and mischievous. The great Batman comics, The Laughing Fish. Yeah. We've then got Batman Year by Year, which is 1972 in March. And there's the cover artwork there. If these read, folks, you won't be disappointed. Look at the drawing, it's absolutely crisp in it. I love it. You then got some more there, DC Comics with Batman in. Rather bare-chested there, he's had his uniform knit. And this is what we've got today. This is our car parts, and we've got the seat pan going in today. And that comes in a vacuum form like so. So we're putting that in today. Tells you exactly what you're doing. Again, CM screws are being used, so we're going to be dropping that in situ, folks. Okay. And then underneath, we're going to be securing in the drive shaft bearing that we put in a while ago. Okay. And that will then tie that up and get that out of the way. So we'll flip through the magazine, put that at the back, and we'll start getting our parts ready, folks. Right, folks, there's the bit we've got going in, and this one is plastic because it's not load bearing or weight bearing or structural. It is just an insert. Okay, we're going to bring our chassis into shot. We'll bring that into shot, folks, and that is suitably and structurally as rigid as can be now. Purely and simply because we put in the die cast floor section last time. So make sure when we put this in that we're putting this with the ear rolls facing downwards, folks, okay? Because it will end up getting secured right up in there. So it's going to go somewhere down there, folks. Like that. Okay. Put a couple of screws in the front first. And then we can spin this upside down and have a look underneath as to how that bearing's going to line up. So let's put a screw in the middle there. Start bringing that down. Like that. Grab another one. Again, put a bit of oil on. Like so. We've got a lug poking out there that we want to put a screw in, so we'll have that in there. Fully tighten that down there. Like so. Grab our next one, which is going to go there. We'll pop that in. There you go. Let's grab that. Start bringing that one in. Now, I'm not going to fully tighten these, purely because I want to put the thing in underneath. And then I'll come back and I'll tighten these top ones down at the back here. But I might need to do a bit of adjusting. So let's flip her upside down and see how that placement's looking whilst I think of it. Now that's what we're looking at getting in place. So it's not actually far out have a look. Let's see whether we can get you. There you go. Where you need to go. There you go. We're happy with that. Let's now pop this floor in this side. Like that. Work our way along. Can now tighten them back bits down, I think. We'll see. We'll see. Actually, I think I will, because I've got it reasonably lined up under there. So let's bring them fully down. Like that. Same with that one. And then work our way along now. A bit of oil on that. And then we can come along now this front edge. Like so. There you go. One more in this corner. That one there. Straight in there. There you go. One there. And I think that is all of them. One there. Two there. Yeah, they're all done. There you go. Actually had 3 spare screws there, folks. I'm doing well for them. We'll have those. Next up, we do have 2 of the AP screws going underneath. So let's spin this up the other way. And we're going underneath there. So I'm actually going to see whether I can keep my chassis on its side there. Because we got these going in on this cover. It's my magnetic screwdriver, 2 wide. So let's grab a spare one of these because it will go deeper through that gap for me. Let's just put a drop of oil on there. I keep all my Partwork screwdrivers. I don't use them often, but they come in handy if you've got a screw or a fitting that's buried deep into the Partwork. I can get these right in there, so let's try and line that up a bit better this time. Quite difficult, I find, on some of these where you're dealing with a black component against a black component and using black screws. I get it, because obviously they don't want you to see all the screw edge shiny, but sometimes it is a little difficult to see where you're going, so I tend to just nudge things with a pair of tweezers and get it so that I can feel the hole underneath, and then I can use my thumb as a guide then. And with all my lights behind me, I can just see enough of an edge of the screw to land it in place. But that's the difficulty filming sometimes, is you're just trying to not white it out with light because it's too much, but you do want to see what you're doing, and Sometimes difficult to get it correct, but there you go. That's all in place now. That shaft is fully supported under there. And it's a nice, solid die-cast floor there, folks. So that's what you're going to end up with today on your bench. You've got your chassis with your die-cast floor, your floor insert, your drive shaft underneath is secure, and you should have your steering column poking up like that. If it's trapped underneath, then you'll need to take your floor off. But at the beginning, you'll see that I tilted mine up like that and then pop the floor under, okay? Loads more to go in this floor. This isn't the finished texture of the floor. You've got an insert to go over that, but we've got electrics to go in yet. So, folks, if you've enjoyed this, remember, follow this link all the way along here. Head over to the Fanhome website and take out a subscription for this beautiful model. You won't be disappointed, folks. Also, to help me out, just click that little festa there, that one, and subscribe to my channel. It is free, folks. And click the bell whilst you're there and select all, and that will then let you know of future content. Also, stay safe and well. Thanks for coming in and keeping me company. Bye-bye for now.